We are on the station for Carrara, the third and final coaster here, and this is a max powered coaster. This is gonna be our first ever POV on coaster stop of this one, and it starts great. Wow! This is awesome. And it does 2 laps, and the second lap is gonna go faster. So this is just the start, guys. If you're watching this POV, make sure that you watch the foot drop. Woo! Wow! And now, fly back from the station and part 2. And we're going fast. I told you you're gonna want to ride this one again, Sarah, because this is awesome. That is one great roller coaster, and it's a walk-on ride now. Wow, Carrara at Mandoria. Great.